Right, ladies and gents, this video, it's about changing this mx5 roof. Let's do it. As you can see, the state of it, very holy. Managed to source one with the roof frame and everything. I'm going to start off by removing this inner cover to reveal the rest of it. So basically, you just want to remove both ends of the screws on each side and yeah, take that out to get the carpet out. Right, so currently it's not gone to plan. If you can see that, the screws been getting rounded off. So now the plan is I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove these trim panels. So you remember the trim panel what was here, which is now out. Seatbelt went through there and basically had a little metal bracket there. I lifted this bracket up and slid that panel underneath. And yeah, over here we've got the bar going all the way across, 10mm bolts. I've removed this side. Alright, just to remember how it goes. That's one piece. And then behind that, that's the other bit, and looks like I can see the roof. So when we're pulling this back off, we'll get to that anyway. So the roof's gonna have to go there, that's gonna have to go in front, and then the other metal part's got to go in front of it. Right, it's one of the last ones to come out, and hopefully, yep, should just come out, pop out like that. Lovely. Right, as we done on the other side, pop this little clip off, keep that safe. Pop that off and pop this one off. Yeah, just undo your seat belt. Like that, and I literally unclipped it from there, and then we'll just take the rubber trim out from here. As I was talking about the other side, pop it up from there, and yeah, a little bit of a fight, but don't fight with it too much. And yeah, it should literally pop out. A little lug down there. And there. And yes. Get the belt out from here. Like so. And then you got access around here. That is mank. Thankfully the new roof's in better condition. But yeah, I literally just want to get that out from there. And then yeah, maybe give that clean around there. As you can see, the roof's all coming apart from there. That's what we want, but yeah, when you put it back, you want to put the roof in between these two. Oh, interesting. And yeah, get your 12mm socket. I believe these three right here are for the actual frame, so I would say this should be ready to come out. Let's find out. Drop it like it's hot. And oh, That looks free from there. And it looks pretty free from there. That's how it should technically look. While this is accessible, it would be rude not to clean all this out. Like, look at that. Can't be leaving it like that. Bit better, ain't it? Need to obviously sort this out, get into position, bolt it up now, and yeah, hopefully that's it. It's all in position. Put those brackets back and stuff. I'll put these side 3 bolts in, and currently that's how it's looking at these corner panels, but I think it'll be a bit rude not to give it a little test, hey? Since we've done this work, because apparently that's how you're supposed to do it. That goes down like that. That folds in position like that. Brilliant. Right, as you can all see, the roof is on. Stay hydrated, Joel, in this hot weather. Cheese! Much needed. But yeah, it's got a little split there, but compared to before, that's alright. As you can see, it's all back in pretty much in the interior. We put those on. It looks a bit better compared to the other one. Not the best of the best, but do you know what? I can't complain. Like, you can actually unfold the window now, and there's not really any big tears and everything, apart from the both sides. Oh, and we got this, which I need to try out and fit it somehow, however it goes. Right, ladies and gents, I hope this video has helped you and given you the knowledge what you need to do to change your mx5 roof. It's not too much of a difficult job, so yeah, it can be done outside the house, as you can see. But yes, if you could just hit that like, share, subscribe to my channel button, it'll be much appreciated, and I'm grateful that I'm there to give you that rough idea. This is the first time I've done the job, so yeah, for me, like, trying it out, you can do it as well. But I hope you liked it, and yes, please do subscribe, and more content to come. So yeah, keep an eye out, and thank you very much. Love, bless, peace. Let's keep it positive.